Hey everyone! Today, we're counting down the top 5 studio monitors for your home studio, with picks that range from budget-friendly to pro-level. Stick around till the end for a special insight into the best overall studio monitor in this list. Before we start the review, hit the subscribe button so you never miss a great review. And don't forget to check the links in the description below for the best deals on these products. Also, feel free to comment with your thoughts on your preferred studio monitors after watching this video. Now let's get started. Number 5. JBL 305P MkII. At number 5, we have the JBL 305P MkII. These 5-inch monitors feature a frequency response of 49 Hz to 20 kHz, providing clear, accurate sound across a wide range. The unique image control waveguide technology ensures a broad sweet spot, giving you consistent audio no matter where you're positioned in the room. The sound is well balanced, with crisp highs and a surprisingly deep low end for their size. The JBL 305P MkII stands out with its affordable price and exceptional sound clarity, making it perfect for home studio owners who need great sound without breaking the bank. However, the low-end response might not satisfy those who need deep sub-bass, but it's still an excellent option for most people. Number 4. Mackie CR3-X. Next, we have the Mackie CR3-X. These 3-inch monitors are compact, with a frequency response of 80 Hz to 20 kHz. Despite their small size, they offer clean and clear audio ideal for smaller spaces. The sleek design and multimedia inputs make them a solid choice for those who need versatility without compromising on sound quality. The Mackie CR3-X stands out for being budget-friendly and user-friendly, perfect for beginners or people who don't have the space for large monitors. On the downside, they don't pack as much bass as larger models, but considering their price, they're definitely worth it for smaller setups. Number 3. Adam Audio T5V. Coming in at number 3 is the Adam Audio T5V. These 5-inch monitors have a frequency range of 45 Hz to 25 kHz and feature Adam Audio's proprietary UART tweeter, ensuring sharp, detailed high frequencies. With a wide sweet spot and impressive imaging, these monitors offer a transparent and balanced sound that's ideal for mixing and mastering. The T5V is a standout due to its high-end performance at a mid-range price, making it great for producers who want top-tier accuracy without breaking the bank. The only downside is the bass might not hit as hard as some other monitors in the same price range, but overall, it's a fantastic choice. Number 2. KRK Rokit 5G4. At number 2, we have the KRK Rokit 5G4. With a frequency response of 43 Hz to 40 kHz, these monitors come equipped with DSP-driven graphic EQ and a built-in limiter, making them highly adaptable to different room environments. The Rokit 5G4 delivers solid bass, clear mids, and detailed highs, making it perfect for those who need a versatile, punchy sound in their mixes. The Rokit series is a favorite among both beginners and professionals for its ability to calibrate to room acoustics. The downside is that the bass might be too much for some, but with proper room treatment, it can be dialed in perfectly. Number 1. Yamaha HS8. Finally, at number 1, we have the Yamaha HS8. These 8-inch monitors offer a frequency response from 38 Hz to 30 kHz, providing incredibly accurate sound reproduction. Known for their flat response, they're perfect for those looking for transparent, uncolored audio for precise mixing. The HS8's standout feature is its clarity across all frequencies, making it ideal for serious producers who demand nothing less than perfection. The only downside is their relatively heavy bass might not suit all music genres, but for critical listening, they are unmatched. And there you have it! The best studio monitors for your home studio, ranked from budget to pro level. Make sure you check the description below for the best deals on these studio monitors. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Also, comment below with your thoughts on these studio monitors or the one you like more. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.